Melbourne, the capital of Victoria, is located on the southeast coast of Australia. With a population of almost 5 million people, which is one-fifth of Australia's population, Melbourne is on its path to overtake Sydney as Australia's most populous city. Melbourne is considered to be Australia's cultural capital, with one of the highest densities of commercial art galleries in the world, complemented by a thriving theatre and music industry. Some of Australia's best-known landmarks are present here in Melbourne, including the Melbourne Cricket Ground, the Federation Square, the iconic Flinders Street Station, and the Royal Botanical Gardens. Sporting events take place within the very heart of Melbourne, including the Australian Open, Cricket World Cup, and the Australian Grand Prix. But most of these activities occur within the CBD, and in a city like Melbourne, it has more functions than just being a cultural capital. To function as a city, it must be able to provide housing, have a working retail industry, provide business services, and offer recreational and cultural activities. This list also includes manufacturing and warehouses, and an extensive public transportation system. In any city, including Melbourne, land zones can be identified based on their function. The concentric zone model, also known as the Burgess model, is one of the earliest models to explain urban land use structure. 20th century Melbourne is the perfect example of this concentric model. At the center of the city would lie the CBD with hotels, offices, and business headquarters. Surrounding this zone would be the transition zone, where industrial factories were operated upon. Around this would lie the houses for blue-collar workers, and middle-class and high-income residents would live beyond these zones. And of course, the commuter zone would lie the outer edge, where people who wish to commute to the city would live. However, the city's urban structure has changed as the times have changed, with the invention of the car and public transportation. The central business district still remains in the center, and is the most central and accessible site in the city. Nowadays, it often contains historical landmarks, and it's the perfect spot for major corporations to build their headquarters. Beyond the CBD lies the inner and outer suburbs, dominated by housing, and beyond this lies the rural-urban fringe, where huge manufacturers access large estates to manufacture anything. Outside this fringe lies a huge space of unused and agricultural land, often used for farming purposes. As you can see, the city of Melbourne has changed a lot over the centuries.